All right, well, hello friends. We're out here at the Sandestin Resort just outside of Destin, Florida. There is always something fun going on out here, so we're going to cruise around the resort a little bit, check things out, see what's going on here on a hot August day in the summer. Why don't you come along with us? Okay, well, we're starting out here at the Baytowne Wharf. In fact, out here at the marina, they've got a really nice dock that goes out into the water. Excellent place to come watch some sunsets. So we're gonna go out here and check it out a little bit, just take in the beautiful views. Now, the Baytowne Wharf is always having activities throughout the year, and they're actually having one today. They're having their Autos in August car show right here in the central plaza of the wharf. So we're gonna go around, check out some of these cool cars, and see some more fun stuff that the resort has to offer. It's so cool that they've got this car show set up right in the middle of the Baytowne Wharf. So if you're down here visiting the resort, like I said, they've always got fun stuff going on that you can come and check out. All right, well, like I said before, they always have fun stuff going on out here at the Baytowne Wharf. We've actually been out here for this car show before, and there are a lot more cars this year. So it's good to see a lot of people coming out, enjoying the day, and having fun here on the resort. All right, well, there's also a lot of places to eat out here at the Baytowne Wharf. So if you're visiting this area, you'll definitely have to come out and check out some of those good restaurants. Go ahead, when you're done with this video, check out our other video right up here that'll tell you all about some of the restaurants here at Baytowne Wharf as well. All right, we're going to go ahead and head on over here to the Baytowne Marina. They actually have a lot of cool boats you can rent if you're visiting the area. Just a reminder, if you haven't already done so, be sure to subscribe to our channel. We do all kinds of travel videos and fun explorations around the area, especially here in Northwest Florida, around the Destin, Florida area. So be sure to subscribe so you can get some more of that content as well. This is, of course, the Sandestin Golf and Beach Resort. So they've got 4 golf courses here spread out throughout the resort. We're going to highlight those in another video for you, but I've played 3 of the 4, and the courses are just immaculate out here. Definitely a fun challenge, a fun time. Over here on the bay side of Sandestin, they also have several important facilities that most people like to use over here. They've got the conference center, several other restaurants, the Sunset Bay Cafe, the Linkside Golf Course, the Bayside Condominiums. So they've got a lot of different things going on over on this side of the resort. The Sandestin Resort also has a really nice little shopping center directly outside the entrance to the resort. So if you're looking for some other shopping or food options, you can also come over here as well. All right, well, that's going to do it for us here at the Sandestin Resort. We've had a fun time taking you around the resort, kind of showing you some of the things they have to offer here. Of course, we didn't show everything. If you're interested in coming here and staying at the resort, you're just going to have to get on the Sandestin website. They've got a lot of different accommodations to suit anybody's needs or budget. But we're just glad that you came along with us. Again, if you haven't subscribed to the channel, make sure you do that below. And thank you for watching the Butler Family Adventures.